welcome back to my channel. I am very excited because I finally finished my room and it has been many weeks and many different layouts and designs, but I think I found the perfect setup that I want to keep for my last year of college. So this is just going to be a video about my room and what I keep in my college apartment. So let's go take a look. Okay, so let's go into the room. This is immediately what you see walking in. This is just my closet here, but first we're gonna go into the bathroom because that's like what's there right away. So the apartment that I live in is shared with 4 other people, and so this bathroom is just mine. I had a shared bathroom last year, but this one I really like because it comes with my own sink, toilet. It has a lot of these like hooks, so I just like to hang a robe or a towel on there. And then it comes with a nice, pretty big shower, I'd say. And then just, again, some more hooks for towels and stuff. And then it has a lot of storage down here, but it's kind of messy, so I'm not really gonna show that. But this is the bathroom. It's pretty nice except for the fact that this air conditioner or the vent is always on and it's really loud at night, so I have to close the door, and even then it's still loud. So that's kind of like the one con about this place. Anyway, so head out of the bathroom, and then right away we have my closet. This I hung up. Well, I didn't hang up. I actually had my roommate hang that for me because I'm not tall enough. So I just got a curtain and then a extension rod from Target, just to hide all my clothes. So I have my laundry basket up there, some hats and some bags. And then I have all of my sweaters and then all the stuff I want to hang. And then over here is all of my other sweatshirts that I didn't want to hang. This is, I think, something I want to say I got from IKEA. I don't know if they're still there because I got this maybe 3 years ago when I was moving in my freshman year. But I've honestly been keeping all my sweatshirts here, and I think it's really good for storage just because I don't have any drawers or anything. So instead of shoes, I just put all my sweatshirts on here, and then it has a little hook to hang on there, which is nice so that I don't have to just like have this suspended randomly anywhere. And then below that I have a extra drawer or cart, I guess, or whatever you want to call this situation. And this I got, I don't actually know where I got this, but I had it in my last apartment and I really liked it. And I just like keep all my pajamas and t-shirts in there. And then my other laundry basket, and then I just have a bunch of jeans or dresses or things that I want to hang. And then above that is just socks and other stuff. So that's nice because they at least have 2 shelves, so I can at least hang all of my clothes, which I am very thankful for because I have a lot of stuff and I didn't think I was going to be able to fit it all, but it seems to work. So that is my closet. And then right next to it is my vision board that I made for this year. And I'm actually pretty proud of it. I don't usually make a lot of my own artwork, but this I just collaged a bunch of photos that I got from Pinterest, and I think it turned out pretty well. And if you want a tutorial or want to see how I made this, I have a video posted, a couple videos behind this one if you want to take a look. And right next to it, I have this little bag that my sister got from me when she was at semester at sea. So she got that from Portugal, maybe? I don't know for sure. But I just have that hung on my mirror, and then I have a little fake plant right here. Sometimes I have real ones, but I just don't seem to be taking care of them very well, so I just figured I would get a fake one so that I don't have to worry about keeping it alive and such. Anyway, so right next to it is the main room. It's kind of like a square and then a long hallway, which I really like so that it's not just a tiny little area. But let's go this way. So right next to my bed, I have all of these, or I guess these 2 shelves These I really like because I can fit a lot up there, which I was not even expecting to have another kind of closet. And in these shelves, I just put like stuff that I want to grab right away. So I have my coffee, a speaker, some more pens and pencils, and other kind of school supply stuff. And these bins, I want to say I got from TJ Maxx or Target. I think the ones on the bottom shelf are definitely from Target, but I want to say these ones are from TJ Maxx. So I just have those in that little shelf. So on my desk, I have a monitor, my sunglasses for some reason, a little stand for my monitor, which I actually like because, if I can open it, it has like a bunch of compartments so I can still like keep extra storage stuff there. And then I have my desk lamp, a fake plant, hand sanitizer, contact or glasses cleaner, I guess, a phone stand, and then more pens and pencils. And because I put my desk in the closet, there's like no light, so I'm pretty much using this light most of the time, and even then it's still dark. So I don't do a lot of my work here, but when I do, I am mainly just watching TV because it's already so dark in this corner. But then next to it, I have a bunch of photos from my Polaroid that I took over the years. And then I have these two other drawers, which is just holding more like pens and pencils, a sketchbook, and then other kind of journals below it. And then this top one is just holding extra like cords and stuff for my computer. And below it, I have a little trash can that I brought. But it's a pretty good like study area, I'd have to say, even though I don't use it as much as I wish I could. And then right next to the desk is my bed. This is probably the same exact setup I had in my last apartment. So I have my vines there, the poster. This does plug in and light up. It's just, it fell. So all the vines are just hung at the moment. And then we have my little avocado guy, or he might be a pear, but I just found him cute, so I just put him on the bed because it matches the whole green and white kind of theme. And then under my bed, I have these little storage shelves, and then I'll show you what's in these because I keep a lot of extra stuff. So I have all of my command hooks, makeup stuff, my vitamins, more glasses stuff, Tums, trash bags. So I like to keep everything that I may need or may run out of, and it's just easily right there. And then I think this one is just more cords and technology stuff, but I really don't have anything in there because it's literally just probably like my laptop case and like a pair of headphones. So this one's pretty empty. But then this one, I have all of my makeup, which I usually sit on my desk and just do my makeup, which is really nice in the morning because it's literally just like get up out of bed and do my makeup. And then in the bottom shelf, I just have a kind of medicine box, tools, some more command hooks, and a lighter, I guess. So that's what's in the bottom drawers. And then I do have this little extension cord, or longer cord, that I plug my phone in. And these pull out, so I'll just put my phone on there to charge at night, or just a water or something. So yeah. And then, of course, I always keep a lot of blankets with me because I'm always freezing, because it's always cold in Oregon. But below the bed, we have my little shoe shelf, which I just keep under my bed because it just takes up a lot of space. And then I have some grocery bags down there. And then up here, I just have some journals, some books, some plants, and a fake plant, of course, and a candle. And then this is my favorite area because I feel like it's very aesthetic. So I have my record player here, and then I have my little coffee set up. So I have this Keurig machine, and then I filled this kind of glass jar with a bunch of tea, and some reusable straws. And then I have usually a mug or two up here so that in the morning I can just easily get my coffee. And then I found these like string vines, which light up. So I just hung those above the coffee machine. But I think they're really cute when it's at night and I just need a little bit more light. And then below it, I have the record player. This one, not gonna lie, it's broken, but I just haven't had time to return it, so it's just still set up there. But under it, I have a little mini fridge that my friend gave me, so I keep all of my coffee creamers in there. I think there's some Gatorade and other snacks. And then in this cabinet, I have a blanket, and then I have some other records that I like to keep. So that is my little room tour for you guys. I hope you guys like it. I have found it to be very cozy. I have had many different renditions of this room. Like at one time, my bed was probably on this wall and facing this way, or it was over in this corner and facing the closet, but this is the third and final, hopefully, area that I put my bed in. I think it turned out really well, but thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.